Thank you for clicking this video. You are watching Education Point and I am your host Pooja Sharma. To all those who are new to the channel, please consider to like, share and subscribe to our channel because we are doing this hard work to help you learn English and speak it fluently. Today in this video, we'll be learning some 10 English phrases that you can use to empower and enhance your English language. These are some 10 phrases that native speakers use, and it's important to include these phrases in your daily conversation to sound like a native speaker. Well, in the last video, we have discussed some 10 English idioms to use. And in this video, we are going to move one step further and learn these 10 smart English phrases that you can use daily in your conversation. So, what are we waiting for? Let's get into the video and understand these phrases so that you can learn and you can be fluent in English. Let's get going. So let's start with number 1. Break the leg. Now this means that you are wishing good luck to someone who's going to do a great task and you are wishing them good luck. You have an exam tomorrow. Break a leg. Number 2. Eat like a horse. Well, this means a person who eats a lot. And similarly, you can say eat like a bird, which means that you eat very little. Well, talking about this phrase, to eat like a horse, means you eat too much. She's so thin, but still she eats like a horse. Third, takes two to tango. Now, this phrase means that it takes two people in an argument. The situation has happened because of two people and it's not the fault of one person alone. So that is when you say it takes two to tango. It's usually used in the negative situation where you say that the situation has arisen because of two people and not because of one. So it takes two to tango. Basically, it has originated from this word tango, which means that it is a dance form which takes two people to perform it. And that is why this phrase is made, saying that it takes two to tango, which means it includes two people in an argument or in a discussion to take it that forward. Don't blame me for the argument. It takes two to tango. You are equally responsible. The next one, no-brainer, which means it's a very easy task and it requires no mental effort. It does not require to think too much about to take a decision or maybe for anything that matter. It is a no-brainer. You don't have to think too much about it. The decision to invest in the energy company was a no-brainer. Fifth, couldn't care less. This means that you are not interested in the situation or you are not concerned or you're not caring about it. That means that I couldn't care less. I've heard that my ex is going through another breakup. Well, I couldn't care less. The next one, you sold me. This means that your idea was really convincing. The way the person has told the idea, he or she is completely convinced. So you say that you sold me or he sold me. They sold me on the usefulness of the new products in their company. I can't deny to invest in it. Next one, didn't catch your name. Well, this is a very polite way of asking when you have not understood or maybe if you have not heard their name. So you say that, oh, I'm sorry, I didn't catch your name. So you just ask them that what is their name. And it happens a lot many times with me that I usually talk with a person and then I forget their name. So yeah, that is where you can use it and you can ask, hey, sorry, I didn't catch your name. It was nice talking to you, but I'm sorry, I couldn't catch your name. Could you repeat that, please? Good for you. Now this can be used in both positive as well as in a negative or a more sarcastic situation. So when you say good for you, you actually mean to say that you are congratulating them in a positive sense. But then it is often used as a sarcastic tone while talking to people. So there has to be this understanding of how to use this phrase. So when you say it in a positive tone, saying it's good for you, So you may say that, hey, you got promoted, good for you. But in the sarcastic tone, you say, you beat me in the competition, good for you. Next one is, it serves you right, which means there has been a fault of yours and there has been a consequence of the same. So it means that it serves you right. So like whatever you have done, you are repaying for it. So it serves you right. She left him, did she? Serves him right. Now this is a very interesting phrase to use. Let me sleep on it. This means that you need to take a lot more of a time to understand or to decide on something, and then you say, let me sleep on it. You need to have 2-3 more days to understand and to make a decision on something, and that is when you say that, let me sleep on it. I don't know if I can adopt the dog right away. Let me sleep on it. With this, we come to the end of our video of learning these 10 smart English phrases that you can use and become a native speaker in English. I hope it was useful to you and you will be able to learn them, and definitely, importantly, you will be going to use them. So if you like the video, do consider to like, share and subscribe to the channel, and keep waiting for more such videos to come right your way. That's all for today. Bye-bye.